Today we are going to be talking about the Mefa 52 nail kit. First of all, let me tell you, I used to always go and get my nails done, and I used to hate having to pay to get my nails done. But I found this kit on Amazon, and it comes with all of these different tools. So you have different glitters that you can use. You also have kind of other little nail art, which I haven't used yet. I have used these since I'm basically teaching myself. I pulled up YouTube videos and kind of go that way. But you get a file. They also send 2 cuticle oils for you. If you're doing your toes, then you have the little toe separators. I've actually done my toes several times now, and I've actually done my nails as well several times. But just different little things that you need. It includes literally everything that you need to get your nails done. So with the nails, it also comes with, if you want to test out some different nail designs, you can paint them on here and show your clients, or maybe if you're just practicing for yourself, so that's a lot of fun. And then it comes with the UV nail dryer lamp. So you have 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. The really cool thing about this, though, is if you just stick your hand under it, let's do it this way. If you just stick your hand under it, it'll turn on, but you can also set it to different lengths if you have maybe more gel on it, to make sure that it gets nice and dry. So I really, really love this UV nail dryer, because it helps with just making sure that you have everything set with the different lengths, and it's straightforward. So I did purchase some other items to go with it. I'm honestly not sure if Mefa has these or not, but I did purchase also on Amazon a nail prep dehydrator, and then this is the 4-in-1 nail glue. I have this linked up as well. And then even though they have a matte top coat, a base coat, and then a glossy top coat, I went ahead and purchased, because I wanted to have an extra one, some bigger ones. But honestly, this would last you a really long time. I just wanted to personally have some bigger ones. But you know, I purchased this, which is also linked up, the base and then the top foundation. So real quick, if you are new to doing gel nails, again, YouTube is your friend, but basically you choose a color. You'll want to file down your nail bed to get it nice and buff. Then you'll want to do a base. So here's the base. You want to do this for 30 seconds. So we'll just stick it under. We'll hit 30 seconds and we'll stick it under. And we'll just wait the entire time. And then you'll put your color on top. And then you'll also just put, if you want, a matte or a glossy top coat on it. And that's how you'll get it complete. And that's it. You would want to file and clean it up with the colors on the side, since it is a dark color, but it's perfect. It's completely dry and gorgeous. Today